Well, it took over 55 hours of public testimony and days more of hearings in the House, but the marriage equality bill was finally passed in the House. So why is one representative still trying to fight against same-sex marriage? Well, KITV4's Brenton Awas standing by live to tell us more on that. Brenton?
Hey, Laura, good morning. I'm out here with Representative Bob McDermott. Now, Bob, thanks for joining us so far. Good morning. Important to start off by saying you voted against the bill in the House.
That's right.
It seems, I talked to you before the special session. You've been fighting the uphill battle here. What this measure might be passed here, it's likely to be passed, send it over to the governor who would sign it, but what are you doing?
So it will pass today, and the governor will sign it very shortly. We were going to file a lawsuit as soon as it's signed to seek a declaratory ruling on what the 1998 amendment meant. And if I can just hold this up, this is what the Office of Elections sent out to the voters, and it said a yes vote would add a new provision to the Constitution that would give the legislature the power to reserve marriage to opposite-sex couples only. Now, the word only wasn't on the ballot. So what did the voters understand they were voting on? In 1998, did the voters think they were approving same-sex marriage? I do not believe they were, nor do many other people. The testimony after testimony said, I thought we took care of this in 98. So I believe the law they're going to sign is actually unconstitutional because the voters said in 98. It's important to remember that the voters own the government. It's their government. And this trumps any statutory language, any laws or fancy lawyer footwork that's out there. It's what the people intended in 98, and they intended marriage between a man and a woman. And that's our case.
There was a lot of people testifying. I mean, 5,184 was the final number. A majority of those were against the bill. Is there anything that they can do to jump on this with you or help you? This is kind of the last-ditch effort here, right?
This is the last hope. If we fail, at that point, I will not go on anymore. We'll pack it in. This is it. What did the people mean in 98? So right now, we're going to go to court, and depending on how that turns out, I'll let you know. Okay?
All right. Thanks again, Bob, for joining us. Laura, we'll send it back to you.
All right. Thanks a lot, Brenton.